Updating your billing information on Oracle Fusion is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Login. Access your Oracle Fusion account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. Step 2. Navigate to Billing section. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Edit billing information. In the billing section, find the option to edit or update your billing information. Click on the edit button to make changes to your address, payment method, or any other relevant details. Step 4. Save changes. After updating your billing information, ensure you save the changes. Look for a Save or Submit button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your updates. Step 5. Verify updates. Finally, review your billing information to ensure all changes have been applied correctly. It's a good practice to log out and look back in to verify that your updated information is displayed accurately. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing information up to date in Oracle Fusion. Regular updates help avoid any disruptions in service and ensure smooth transactions.